Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to generate an Amazon affiliate link step by step. If you're a complete beginner, don't worry, I will explain everything in a very simple way. So get started. First, log in and open your browser Amazon Associate account. After login and open amazon.in. Now you will see the site strap at the top of the page. This is one of the easiest way to create an affiliate link. Now search for any product you want to promote. For example, I'm selecting the product. You can choose product related to your niche such as gadget, beauty products, kitchen items, travel accessories or home essentials and get generate the link. Once you selected the product, go to the site stripe and click and get link. Now choose text link. That's it's the unique Amazon affiliate link is ready. Copy this link and where to share. Now you can share the affiliate link in different places such as YouTube videos, descriptions, Instagram bio, TikTok profiles or videos where platform rules allow. Dailymotion and your website and blog at all. The better your content, the better your chance of getting click and eligible purchases. Step 5 dashboard. Now let's look at my Amazon Associate dashboard. As you can see, my dashboard is showing 4 clicks. These clicks came because I opened my affiliate links, but my earnings are still zero because there have not been any eligible purchases yet. Click don't generate commission. Commission is usually credited when someone make a qualifying purchase through your affiliate link account to Amazon program rules. If an order is cancelled or returned, it can affect your commission. Important. Don't just copy and paste affiliate link everywhere. Create valuable content. First, help people understand why the product is useful. Then people trust your recommendations, they much more likes to buy through your link. Anyway, so this is how you to generate your Amazon affiliate link and understanding the basic of the dashboard. I hope this video was helpful. In the next video I will show you how to find trending product and create AI powered product video to promote them. If you enjoy this video, please like, subscribe and share it with someone who want to learn affiliate marketing and earning related tips. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep going. Bye bye.